Hi, first graders. So for a long time we have been learning about lines, and now we are moving on to our shapes. The basic shapes that we all know are the circle, the triangle, and the square. What we will do is on your paper you will already have drawn these sections where you will have 6 different places in your paper. Next, you are going to go ahead and take 3 colors of markers. With your markers, I would like for you to take one, and in the first square, draw a circle. In the next section, draw a square. And in the last section, I'd like for you to draw a triangle. These are our 3 basic shapes. Next, what we will be doing is taking our markers and creating contour lines, we remember our contour lines, around our different shapes. So I'm going to do red here. I think I'm going to alternate my colors. I'm going to create contour lines inside and outside of my shapes. Remember, it's easiest to rotate your paper around so that you're drawing towards your body. This will help you have a steady hand. Okay, boys and girls, I would like you to draw your contour lines until they get to the very edge of each section. Don't forget, when you get to the edge, jump to the next section all the way around. Once you have completed your circle, square, and triangle, the bottom part of our paper is going to be for coming up with different shapes that in real life remind us of a circle, a square, or a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil to go ahead and brainstorm 3 different things that these shapes remind me of. I can even go ahead and think about it on the back of my paper. So a circle, a square, and a triangle. When I think of a circle, I think of maybe a lollipop, or a basketball, or a wheel on a tire. When I think of a square, I think of a robot, or maybe a truck, a fire truck, or I don't know, boys and girls, what kind of ideas can you think of? When I think of a triangle, I think of a slice of pizza. Or a traffic cone. Maybe a tent for people to sleep in when they're having a campfire. A mountain. Lots of different ideas, but I am going to choose 3 of my ideas to draw on the front of my paper. I have chosen to draw a lollipop, a robot, and a slice of pizza. I would like for you to come up with your own unique 3 ideas. I would not like you to copy my lolly, my robot, or my pizza because I know that in your brain you have lots and lots of creative ideas. In order to color in your different shapes, you are welcome to use either markers or crayons. When we're coloring different things in, I would like to remind you that good coloring technique means that I do not see any of the white paper. So, as I'm coloring in my robot, I need to give every single part of my robot a color. Outline your shape and then fill in your shape going in one direction while you're coloring. So I'm going from side to side. And sometimes I can switch directions if it makes it easier for me to get all of that white paper colored in. When I say I want all your white paper colored in, that means I also want you to have a background. So this robot can't just be floating in white space. He needs to be either on his spaceship or on his planet. He needs some place that he is at. So, boys and girls, you will come up with your own 3 ideas of different things from life that remind you of these 3 shapes. All right, let's head to our desk and get started.